Okay. Alright. I think I'm live. I'll just put a message in the channel, basic channel. I think I'm live. I'm talking through my mic. Oh, anyone's around, let me know if audio is working or not. Alright. Yeah, so I'll get underway then. I don't know how easy it will be to get underway because I'm on a different laptop now. But maybe that's a good thing. Let's say trying to grab the source code of this project, hunting it down. It's this MegaFoot project. Maybe it's a chance to retrieve it anew. So I'll go to code. Should I use this URL? Oh, I probably need the SSH one. Well, for now, I'm going to just use this, just for privacy concerns. Maybe I'll just use this one. And I should keep Discord open in case anyone wants to chat there. I'll need I think I tend to work with MinGW. Okay, I'll open a MinGW terminal. Let's see how I go there. I'll try and check out the code somewhere. Where's a good place? For whatever reason, I have some projects in here. And I'll clone this one in here too. Alright, what am I going to need in MegaFoot? What do I get in here? I've got the EL file. I've got the layers bin file. I think there's stuff I'm missing, but I'll try and make do with it. I'll put these on a D81 image. Oh wait, no, I should use them on my 11. Yep. Okay, so maybe I'll just forgive the lack of preparation here. But okay, I'll leave MegaFoot there. MegaFoot in that tab, and this one can be Zemu. I'll run. I have to remember how to run Zemu now. I can always struggle to remember how to Zemu. Oh, what do we have? Build binary Zem X MEGA65. Oh, there's a whole bunch of settings. UART14510. I think that's one of them. HDOS Vert was another one. I'll probably need a particular ROM version. But let's see which one it comes with right now. Can I jump into 50 column mode? No. So I'm going to need a newer version than that. To get into 50 column mode, I tried pressing escape and 5 and that didn't work. So I'll kill this one if I can. I can't seem to press F9. Now I can. So I think I did download some. Download 920385. That sounds promising. 5.bin. Okay. There's that one. So how do we specify ROM? Was it just ROM? Maybe. Download. Yeah. What have I missed? 385.bin. Okay, now if I press escape 5, yay! Alright, I think that works okay. Can I mount the 11 disk here? And there's a fair bit there. I'm thinking I'll put my 11 file onto this disk because this is where. Awesome. Thanks, Mirage. Thanks for confirming. Um, yeah, I'm just on a different machine, so I have to copy my files across. So just a bit of initial tedium involved. So where to copy it to? So inside Debug Advanced, I'll browse Zemu System folder. In this HDOS folder, I've got a copy of 11. I'll open that up in this Dear Master tool, and maybe I can drop my MegaFoot game in here, and that should get me started. So MegaFoot, where was that? It was MegaFoot tab. Start here, and so this foot EL. I'll copy this foot EL onto the disk. And I think I'll need this layers bin. That's the layers of Petsky graphics saved in the file there that I'm using for the parallax scrolling. So hopefully if I save it in here, file save, where is it? Disk save, okay. Get out of there. Now if I do dir here, I've got oh no, I don't want a name like that. Alright, I'll have to rename it. I'll open that up again. So it's gone uppercase, lowercase. So I'll rename that. Is it F2? No. Click it gently. Alright, F-O-T-E-L, all in lowercase. I'll save that here. And if I do dir here, okay, I've got my foot EL here. So I can boot 11 here. And hopefully I can now load up foot.el. Oh, what's this type mismatch? That doesn't sound promising. Load FOOTEL. It didn't like it. Did it save as the wrong format or something? I'll exit from here. It's a bit awkward because it's a different laptop that I've been using for a while. Oh, it's a PRG file. It needs to be an SEQ file. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I don't know. Does this tool just let me swap them around? Can I just change to SEQ by magical means? Oh, okay. SEQ. Hopefully. What's the hex dump of this look like then? View as a hex dump. Okay, straight into it. Okay, that looks good. Hopefully this time. So let's boot. Oh, actually, dir. The foot.l is a sec file now. Let's boot into 11. I'll press F1 to load a file. I'll type foot.el. And it's loaded. If I press F5, will it build and run? Yeah, okay. If I push left and right. Okay, alright, it's working as it was on the last machine. Okay, cool. Alright then, I'll break out of that, jump back into 11, and maybe there were I mean, it's not running so bad now, but if it ran a little bit better, maybe there were some small wins to be had by with all this prep work for the DMA, trimming that down a little bit. I guess now that my code doesn't really jump between banks or megabytes all that much, yeah, I agree we can drop these destination. Oh, maybe I'll highlight them. I'll do escape M just for highlighting. Choosing a bank and a megabyte selection prior to the DMA maybe I don't need to do that so much anymore. So I'll kill them. But before I do, maybe I better assure they're set as a default somewhere else. I set this stuff somewhere else, maybe in init vars. I'll probably readability is not great because it's in 80. Maybe I should go. Yeah. So here, like, which is it, the source or the destination? I can't remember. I'm setting the destination to 5 and 0 all the time. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Okay, so back to init vars. So destination address, whatever it be, but destination bank is now always 5. And the first megabyte is always, uh, yeah, 0. Okay, so if I save that and then go back to draw Petsky frames and delete all of these. So escape M, I'll go down, I'll do X for delete, which isn't that great, but anyway, it'll do. Yes, escape M, down, X for delete. And I guess length is K here, length is K there. Maybe that's another win if we delete same K. Yeah. Alright. I probably can't see messages at this point, but yeah, I'll pop in and out to see if there's any. So escape M, down, X to delete. Go down, escape M, down, X. Length is offset, same length here, so maybe I'll delete that too. Okay. Am I seeing everything there is to see? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to save that and build it again with F5. Oh, save was F3, build is F5. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'll press the right key. Oh, that doesn't look good. Alright, it was a read operation. Alright, I've probably done something naughty. Killed all of Zemu. Where is Zemu? In here? Okay. Mount D81, boot, and we'll go to F1 to load a file, foot.el. It's in there now. So what have I done? I'll do F11 to go to the full screen. What have I done wrong? Init Betsky var. Why did it go to A0, A0, A0? Destination bank is 5. That seems alright. Source, I had put it as 4, which is true. Default first megabyte. Anyway, I don't need this default first megabyte anymore, but still. Draw Petsky frame. So what have we deleted that's problematic? It's pretty similar. Is it set somewhere else? Perhaps maybe I search the whole code for. I'll do the home key. Oh, I can't do home. Yeah. And then I'll do right alt and F to search for a keyword. Maybe dest bank. It's here. Next one, letter N. So transparent DMA. Oh, by deleting the line. Oh yeah, that's my mistake. Okay, by deleting the line, I'm enforcing it to whatever dest bank was never set to, which was 5. So maybe I should be deleting this and deleting that so they never change. Yeah, alright. Now F3 to save F5 to build. Okay, I'll press the right key. Hey, okay, it's working here. I don't know if it's any, yeah, I think it is a little bit faster. I did keep some video footage of the last time. I can download that again. Maybe we can compare the two. Open that up. If it needs a bit, yeah, I think it's slightly faster. Yeah, that was a bit more sluggish. Just hide this stuff. I can't see the edge of this VLC screen. Is it always going to go that big? Yeah, it is. But yeah, won't keep its size. But that versus what we see here. Yeah, I think it is modestly faster with that, just that. Um, uh, maybe, I don't know if I'll have enough energy tonight because I don't have that much spare time. Um, I mean, maybe this was a good, just a sample stream, and maybe another night I'll do a bit more. Like the other idea I had was writing out the layers. You know, like there's this rainbow sky layer, the background mountain layer, the foreground mountain layer. You know, this sort of top part of the ground, the bottom part of the ground, and to make them loop around like that, I had to cut the DMA rows into two chunks, like from some offset and forward, and the leftover there. So that's two DMA calls every row. If I can one day just do one DMA call per row, and I feel that's possible if I just copy each rows into some sort of other buffer and then read from that offset to the double up of the row, then that could be just like one DMA call copying from that doubled up row onto this sort of region. So then we halve the number of DMA calls, and yeah, I'm suspecting that'll get a win, but I won't do that now. But one thing I forgot to sort of preview on previous occasions was that M65 postbox tool. So maybe at least it's a chance. It was a small change tonight, but if maybe I could at least demonstrate this postbox tool so people get a feel for what it is. So I've run Zemu with the debugger turned on with that start UMON 4510. You could do the same thing with the hardware over a COM port with the JTAG adapter as well. So I just run this postbox tool here, and my hope is if I jump into 11 with shift and run stop, or shift and end in Zemu, and then I had a magic key press to do some horrid posting of uh, the text file chunk by chunk across. So if I press the right Alt key and the letter P, it'll post this source code over chunk by chunk in whatever form this mechanism accepts. And yeah, it passed the whole file over, so it saved out a new foot.el file. It saved out a sort of PETSCII to ASCII, PC-friendly foot.el PC as well. So I just Control C out of this tool. So if I check my Git status, these have both been modified. So if we were to take a look, what's changed? Look at foot.el PC, and hopefully we'll see the changes that were made on the 11 side, but we can see them comfortably on the PC side now too. So yeah, I removed the megabyte selection, bank selection stuff, enforced this always use bank 5, and the lines we've removed. So yeah, this is all ready to, so, you could do your git add and your git commit, a bit of optimization, and I can't push right now because I'll need to get the SSH keys. But yeah, that's my workflow for now. That I'll via 11 I can make my tweaks, and quickly push them across to PC side and put them in GitHub and assess them that way. But yeah, I'm happy to leave it at that for tonight. And yeah, well, I'll catch you guys next time. And I'll have to educate myself in how to end a stream. So I guess I push end stream. Okay, bye.